Welcome to today's Isley Traditional TV, ITV for short, where Isley All-Stars are in. I'm Lily, here with the Shine Slip winners for the week. Here they are now.
And I'm Lacey. Today is Friday, March 29th. It is time for Ask an All-Star. Hey All-Stars, it's National Cleaning Week. How do you help clean things at your house or in your classroom?
We have two hands, so we might as well just pick trash up and throw it away.
Sometimes on the weekends at my house, I clean up the basement.
At my house, I clean up my room, and my sister does too. I help by sleeping with my mom and dad.
I like to help my mom and dad do the laundry at home, and I like to put those little squishy things in for the laundry and the washing machine. So I like to do like those things to help my family.
I help by cleaning, like Miss Scott does the skin, and it's called Secret Piece of Trash, and whoever gets the secret piece of trash, they get a prize. And then one time I got a prize, and it was so fun. The way that I help to clean is make my bed and make sure there's no trash on the floor. I clean the tables in my classroom. I like helping Mr. Ricky clean in the lunchroom. I clean my toys.
I help make the beds, but I hate vacuuming.
I help clean the table.
I help dusting.
I clean the window, then mop the floor.
Will you come to my house and do that?
Yes.
Well, I have 52 windows.
Only 25.
I help by refreshing my room every morning. Now let's watch this clip to see who has a birthday today. Hi, my name is Otto, and I'm turning 9.
I'm Anna, and I'll be turning 11.
Hi, I'm Jackson, and I'm turning 11.
Happy birthday, All-Stars. Now let's join Mrs. Cleary's second graders saying the Isley Pledge and the fifth graders in Miss Norton's class saying the Pledge of Allegiance. And this is
Lily
and Lacey
saying shoot for the moon, Isley All-Stars. Tag, you're it.